Hi everyone, I'm in the studio today and I'm just shooting on my phone just for something different, and I just wanted to share with you this new little spotlight that I got from Neewer. This is their basics range. Now I've got the big LS39 Spotlight and it's pretty awesome, but this is the F10. So if I hold that and then spin this round, it is a great spotlight. I can also change the colors. So there's warm, cool, red and blue. So that's cool, that's warm. Red, blue, and it just cycles through them. So that is amazing. But what else is amazing about this is that it comes with this little sort of snoot. If I can pull this out, which just clips on the front of it. So that just clips on the front of it like so, and now I have got a smaller spotlight. And to make it even cooler, it comes with these. So these are gobos or go-betweens. There's a window, there's like bubbles, all sorts of things. So that just fits on there like so, and now I can do some really cool, funky looks on my backdrop without having to be back 20,000 feet and up really high in the air. So it's not as powerful as the LS39, sure, but it is pretty amazing. If I wanted to use this, especially for still life or something like that, it's pretty cool. And if I wanted to put different colors on it, I could always put gels on the front of it as well. So that's everything that comes in the kit. So you get a little bag that comes with it. You've got the light, the hood. You've got a whole heap of gobos. There's a little instruction book thing. It's only 10 watts, but it is actually pretty cool to play with, and I'll share some photos that I took in the studio. I did some on the black background, which I wasn't a huge fan of, but we did pop it on the white background and it actually looked really cool, like you can see on this one here. Okay, so this was the FL10. We had it set up in the studio with the model. As you can see, I've just got it up on a little light stand. I'm just using a clip that I had in the studio to screw into the actual FL10. And this was on a really large cyclorama, so it actually worked kind of well. And the fact that I didn't have to be so far back from it was pretty cool. So that's everything there that comes in the box. So you've got the light, you've got the gobos, that's the flashlight there with the hood, that's the gobos, that's just the light on its own. So that is the F10 10 watt flashlight or spotlight from Neewer. They call it Neewer Basics. So this is just another little behind the scenes setup. I again have the FL10 just on a stand, and I was doing some product photography, and it worked really, really well putting that window light on the back of my image. So that's the FL10 by Neewer. I will put the full write-up and review in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time on YouTube. Bye.